In this video you will see amazing a man flying in the air, awesome glasses which look like simple but have a lot of features in it. Also see a truck which is original and you play games to sit inside it, and also more amazing gadgets. You can buy all these gadgets from Amazon and online. If you are new on my channel, subscribe and also like the video. Welcome guys to Gadget World. Let's start today with an amazing jetpack at number 1, the flying superpower, which earlier was only seen in superheroes and sci-fi movies. It can be obtained by anyone today. All you have to do is loosen your pocket and buy this electric jetpack. This is a kind of personal jetpack, friends, in which there are many small propellers are attached to it. You can easily fly a person with it. You can use it for personal flying. You go out of the house, go to the roof and switch it on and fly with it. The stand is also present in it for very smooth and safe landing. You cannot sit in it horizontally like Superman, meaning you will not be able to fly in a lying down position. You will have to fly vertically in a standing position. But that does not make any difference, friend. It flies anyway, right? If you have a pet dog, then this gadget is definitely you will like it a lot. If you have to give treats to your dog again and again while training, then instead of taking out treats from the bag again and again, you have to wear this gadget simply on your hand and attach a small lever in it. As soon as you press it, the treat will immediately come out of it and directly in your hand so that you can feed it to your dog. It is very easy to wear, it will be comfortable and it can be of any size. If it's not a matter, then it's time for dog training. And by the way, generally this gadget is quite handy. It will remain useful, and especially for the pet, it's a must-have gadget for pet. You think, you have fun on the way, you are walking while eating ice cream and suddenly, this box will appear in front of you, inside which, there is a person present and he is singing song. Are you confused? Well, this is HoloConnects holobox, in which the characters appear in front of you in 3D in the form of holograms so that it will seem that he is right in front of you in that box. Those who are standing inside these boxes show has to be done, whatever has to be run. That video should have been shot in advance, and later they are play in these hollow boxes. If we look at the marketing end, it keeps going on, for the purpose of advertisement, etc. It's literally perfect and is also more creative. And if you like racing or arcade racing, then driving simulation games like this, if you like it, friends, then you are absolutely next level. Realistic experience with full motion will be found in the truck to drive. All you have to do is first of all wear a VR headset and play whatever game you want. Put it on and then sit in this truck, but it's not for the faint of heart. This is because after sitting in the truck, in the game, right as you drive it. Anyway, it moves like a real truck, shakes and shakes the end of a real truck. It simulates movements full on, so you will feel like you really be inside a truck that will be you. You will also driving a truck which you will be a simulation, but so much more realistic than this truck. In our homes, filtration plants are adjusted to purify water and drink it. Imagine if you go out somewhere and end up in such a place, get stuck where there is no pure water around. The source should not be far away, just a pond or river. It is only water which you cannot drink directly. What will you do if you can? Well, then you will get this gadget. This portable water will save. You can purify it and make it drinkable. Purify is simply in this gadget. 2 pipes are being laid, one pipe go into river source and the other one connect to a bottle, wherever you want to collect pure water, and that's it. Purify that river or pond water, it will collect it in another bottle. It is rechargeable, so you can charge it once fully. But with this you can purify up to 60 gallons of water. You can do this, and in case of emergency, use this handle. You can also generate power from it manually by rotating it. You will be able to do solar charging. There will also be an option. I mean, no matter what the situation is, this gadget works. Many people will keep equalizing their likes to have kinetic art gadgets on desk. If you don't know why so well, the reason for this is, friends, kinetic art gadgets do such motions by seeing which your mind is completely relaxed. The work is done by Helios. It's a different matter with its mesmerizing motion, elevates any space for enhance the beauty of the place. You keep it on your stand living room, guest room or office desk. But you can also keep it for motion. You will have to charge it, once due to long-lasting battery more than 40 days on one charge. This can be done with the help of cable. It is rechargeable, so no need for extra cables attached with it. There is absolutely neat and clean aesthetic look. Now you have Tony with his arms and ripples. Must have seen shooting laser beam, but now you also do a similar action sequence. Let me tell you that the laser beam emanating from these is absolutely safe and just for show. Still, it looks quite impressive. These gloves are simply on your hands. You will have to wear it like normal gloves. If we talk about the colors of laser, then you will find in these at least 2-3 different colors are available. After that, these laser beams, wherever you go, you will also point it at that face on the wall, etc., will create circles that move, and it also looks quite cool. The people fond of sports go make their sports more enjoyable. These AR glasses to make things convenient and have been made, which as soon as you install them you will see everything around absolutely normal, but will remain virtual screen will also come visible along with the in front of you. Like if you are cycling, then your speed, how much distance did the timer go, this tells you all. And more will be visible in this virtual display. If you want to go somewhere, have a map in your phone, there is no need to see that too. You can see directly through these glasses only. When someone calls you, say accept it, you can, and through these glasses, you can talk on call, that is, on phone. You won't have to take it out, friend, it's the best. You will get almost all the useful features in it. If you go, you will have to take the phone out of your pocket again and again. You will not have to remove your sports equipment. Keep going activity with focus without any distraction. If you skate, it's like this. You will have to wear skates. It takes so much hard work, man, better than this. So if you like walking or skating, if you want to enjoy potential and real fun, you will have to buy a device. This is one such. Stick with a small wheel on the back holds it while wearing skates. If you move, this will take you forward in a way. Well, let me tell you, friends, that she will push you. Your speed can go up to 40 kilometers per hour. It has a powerful 3000 watt motor. Friends, its weight is also kept very low. It is only 5 kilograms, so that it can be carried. It's easy to carry and you can take it wherever you want. You can also go with whatever shoes you want. Do you use skates or a skateboard? You use the stick with both. If you can use it on the road, then it is good for you. It will give a lot of speed along with this. You are also very capable of climbing slopes. Friends, now let's take a look. Versatile and compact drone with lots of features. This drone is foldable in its controller. It has small in size, easy to carry. This drone with altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. It has with Wi-Fi function, can be connected app, APK system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. Friends, now let's take a look. Versatile and compact drone with lots of features. This drone is foldable in its controller. It has small in size, easy to carry. This drone with altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. It has with Wi-Fi function, can be connected app, APK system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. Now guys, it's your turn. If you not still like the video, like it please. Also subscribe the channel and push the bell icon. You will get the notification of new video. Guys, let's meet in another video with awesome and stunning gadgets. Take care yourself and enjoy. Bye.